What if I told you the world's greatest investor still lives in the same house he bought in 1958 for $31,500? No mansion, no yacht, no flashy lifestyle. And yet Warren Buffett turned a $5,000 investment at age 11 into a net worth of over $150 billion. Today, we're not just talking about stocks. We're talking about the life lessons behind the money, lessons that anyone can use, whether you have $100 or $100,000. Let's get into it. Warren Buffett grew up in Omaha, Nebraska. He wasn't born rich, but he was born obsessed with money and business. At 6 years old, he sold chewing gum door to door. At 11, he bought his first stock. As a teenager, he bought pinball machines and placed them in barbershops, collecting passive income before most kids had their first job. He got rejected from Harvard. That rejection sent him to Columbia University, where he studied under Benjamin Graham, the father of value investing. That failure changed everything. By 30, he was a millionaire. By 60, a billionaire. And he did it not with luck or shortcuts, but with a few simple principles he never broke. Here are the 5 that matter most. Lesson 1. Pay yourself first. Most people earn money, spend it, and save whatever's left. Buffett flips that completely. His rule: do not save what is left after spending. Spend what is left after saving. The moment money comes in, a portion goes away. Into savings, into investments. Non-negotiable. You don't see it, you don't touch it, you don't spend it. This one habit, done consistently over time, is the foundation of everything else. No investing strategy works if you never have money to invest. Lesson 2. Invest in yourself first. Buffett has said many times that the best investment he ever made was in himself, specifically a public speaking course he took as a young man. He was terrified of public speaking. He paid $100 to overcome that fear. That skill helped him communicate ideas, build trust, and ultimately build Berkshire Hathaway. His advice? The most important investment you can make is in yourself. Skills don't depreciate, knowledge compounds. Nobody can take away what you learn. Lesson 3. Patience is the real edge. Here's something most people get wrong about Buffett. They think he's a genius stock picker. He's not. His real superpower is patience. He once said, "The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient, while everyone else is buying, selling, panicking, and reacting." Buffett sits still. He holds. He waits. He lets compounding do the heavy lifting. In fact, 95% of his wealth was built after age 65. Not because he got smarter, because he stayed patient long enough for compound interest to explode. Lesson 4. Who you surround yourself with matters. Buffett said, "Pick out associates whose behavior is better than yours, and you'll drift in that direction." The people around you shape your habits, your mindset, and your standards, whether you realize it or not. If your circle spends recklessly, brags about bad investments, or never talks about growth, that rubs off. Buffett is intentional about this. He built relationships with people like Charlie Munger, who challenged his thinking and made him a better investor over 60 years. Lesson 5. Reputation is worth more than money. Buffett once told his managers, "Lose money for the firm and I will be understanding. Lose a shred of reputation for the firm and I will be ruthless." And on a personal level, he said, "If you get to my age in life and nobody thinks well of you, I don't care how big your bank account is. Your life is a disaster." For a man worth $150 billion, this is remarkable. He genuinely believes that how people feel about you at the end of your life matters more than any number in a bank account. Build trust. Keep your word. Do business with integrity. Those things compound too. So to recap, 5 lessons from one of the greatest investors who ever lived. 1. Pay yourself first. 2. Invest in yourself before anything else. 3. Patience is your biggest advantage. 4. Your circle shapes your future. 5. Reputation outlasts wealth. Warren Buffett didn't build his fortune with secret strategies or insider tips. He built it with simple principles, applied consistently over a very long time. And the best part? Every single one of these lessons is available to you, starting today. If this video helped you, like and subscribe. We're building a channel around exactly this kind of content. See you in the next one.